At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the importance of access keys in Sumo Logic. Businesses' accelerated adoption of internet-based services and solutions triggers an equivalent consideration to protect sensitive data. At Sumo Logic, our topmost priority is secure connection to customer data. In Sumo Logic, you must supply an access key when you register a new collector and when you use Sumo Logic APIs. It is associated with your Sumo Logic login and should never be shared with other Sumo users. Why does Sumo Logic use access keys over traditional username-password credentials? Consider a scenario where the user has installed a collector with a username and password and later decided to change the password. In a secure organization, passwords change frequently. In such cases, the collector becomes inaccessible since the password used for registration has expired. Secondly, if a user uses their own set of credentials to run a script leveraging Sumo Logic's API, what if they decide to leave the organization? The script will break when the user credentials are deactivated. The access key pairs never expire or disable without an explicit command. Therefore, Sumo Logic uses access keys to register the collectors. In Sumo Logic, you use an access key to register new collectors. You can either use a different access key for each collector or the same access key for multiple collectors. The only time a collector uses the access key is when it registers with the Sumo service, which typically occurs at the time of installation. If a key is deleted after a collector has been set up, the collector is not affected. Access keys are the only way to authenticate API requests. Sumo Logic supports cross-origin resource sharing, or CORS, which allows you to restrict Sumo API calls based on the request origin. When you create an access key, you can specify a allow list of domains that are allowed to call Sumo APIs using that access key. Requests from other domains will not be accepted. We hope this video helps you manage access keys in Sumo Logic. Thank you for joining.